Going into this week, in terms of news, we have existing home sales and all this stuff, but yeah, it's not really, I don't know about the government. Yeah, some Fed meeting, yeah, I've seen it. Did the government open yet or no? I haven't seen. No, they didn't. So yeah, I don't know about that. Even if they are closed, CPI did on Friday. Yeah, yeah. Yeah, it's weird. Anyways, let's talk about charts. Um, so going into here on the daily chart, we do have a pretty clean POI here. We're priced bounced off, right? We could be forming some sort of Quasimodo, some sort of reversal here, honestly, on a higher time frame basis, right? But we do need to see first some sort of breakout structure here, some lows holding, confirm this, honestly. Um, this would be the easiest play, but they don't like to make it that easy, right? So we will see how this develops. Something else I'm looking for is some sort of rejection that up here or another move lower to form some sort of three drive, right? Would be a pretty cool reversal as well. And then a reversal, shake out these guys, these longs into Friday, Saturday, Sunday, right? Uh, to squeeze them and then uh, price to go higher eventually. We have some structurally we have some pretty clean equal highs, right? If we go into lower time frame, it is more visible. Equal highs up here. Then we do have some internal liquidity resting right here. If it's bullish, we shouldn't tap again this low, right? If it's bullish and the idea of some sort of reversal here. So yeah, I'm looking for some sort of acceptance here for longs towards 116k. Yeah, 116, 117k. We'll see. Let's go right into our levels. I'm starting off with the VWAP. Oops. With a yearly VWAP, which is pretty important. As we can see, we're trading back into value high of this developing value, right? So any sort of rejection up here around this area, it's not good at all, honestly. But here are a few bullish scenarios, two bullish scenarios I have in mind. We either reject here or spend some time here, finally reject the yearly VWAP to come a bit higher, bounce off here along with the three drive that we talked about for a continuation higher. The other bullish scenario would be to accept above here, higher lows for a continuation higher. But yeah, I kind of like the most the other scenario with a three drive, right? Now, the bear scenario simply would be a rejection here in coming into yearly VWAP, another flip rejection and momentum here, flip this and lower. Honestly, nothing stopping us if we go below 100k. So yeah, that's about the yearly VWAP. Let's go into the quarterly VWAP. Another pretty important level here. We do have previous quarter value area low, right? So if we get fast rejection here and we don't spend a lot of time above here, above 111, it is bad, right? If we reject straight away. Now, if we spend time above here, sweep, reclaim, I'm looking for a rotational play from previous quarter value low to previous quarter VWAP along with the developing quarterly VWAP, right? So this would be a pretty cool level along with the equal highs, right? Pretty cool level to play around. So after this we sweep back below or we build momentum for a full value rotation, right? So yeah, for now we all eyes are on 110, 111k for a potential rejection or potential acceptance for higher and continuation, right? Similarly to the monthly, 110.5 will be acting as support. So if we manage to build a base here, I posted about it as well. If we manage to build a base here, it would be the best for longs, right? For rotational play towards these equal highs, also previous month value high, right? And developing month VWAP. Rejection is pretty bad and should lead to new lows in my opinion. Rejection here. So yeah. Something else really interesting is the weekly VWAP, which we're trading inside of it right now, with value high sitting at 113.113 basically, right? Previous week value high, along with some internal liquidity sitting right here, pretty clean, right? And value low sitting at 106. So if we do come up here early in the week, I'm expecting a rejection, honestly. Of course, if we start grinding higher, we're going for the equal highs above here at 116k, but 113k will be obviously a resistance, right? A level of resistance. So yeah, my eyes on the weekly are at 113k, 116k. I don't 106k. I don't 107. Sorry, 107k. I don't know if it will be holding that much because we have some liquidity resting here as well. So yeah, early in the week to tell, but the weekly value is pretty important as well. Now, going into TPO, we are trading back within this 5-day composite. Let me merge this as well. Oops, merge. So we are pretty much, we have filled the inefficiency from Thursday, trend day on Thursday, and we have left behind the inefficiency, the NPOC of this composite, right? So a fill of this, I think it's pretty important to happen. But if we keep on spending time and space here, we're accepting within the prior 5-day composite, right? For rotational play towards 113.5. So it pretty much aligns with our levels, right? Aligns with our levels, bringing everything into the chart. The composite is around, I had it marked and I deleted it by mistake. 110, 250, 113.45. So 110, oops, 250, 113, 450. So pretty clean composite as well, right? So all in all, build the base up here, build the base, spend time in space, sweep, pull some singles here, breakaway singles, reclaim for long towards. In my opinion, we should be taking these and moreover these highs, right, as our extreme target. So yeah, main targets being 113 and 116k if we get the opportunity to long here. Now, the bear scenario is to form some sort of structure here, reject right away, start trading below, breakdown for another leg down. So, pretty quick weekly outlook, not much to say. I'll stop the recording because these are all the scenarios I have in mind right now. So, any questions, you guys let me know.